Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something I'm really excited about, and that is unboxing the Cirque Colors Candy Coat Advent Calendar. Now, I don't own anything by Cirque Colors. This is a brand that has always intrigued me. I'm really looking forward to trying these out with you. They've been on my list for a really long time, but it's just one of those where I put a few in my cart, I see the price, and I'm like, ugh, and I exit out of the website. But I decided there's no excuse. I have to try these out. They look so beautiful. And this little advent calendar called to me so much so that I bought 2 other nail polish advent calendars immediately after this. So we're just gonna do a little advent unboxing on my channel, I guess, a little series here. Now, this particular calendar, it was $60 on the Cirque website. Cirque polish is 10 free, vegan and cruelty free, if those things are important to you. I just want to list them off here. This particular box here, it's got 2 little doors, and you just pop this ribbon open. We open it up, and you can see we have 12 days to work with. Now, this calendar does say on the back what is in it. I'm not going to say exactly what's in it, but I will tell you there is nail polish, nail art, and nail tools. I don't know why they always spoil it. The whole point is to be surprised with an advent calendar. At least I remember from when I was a kid, that's kind of how it was. But this is still exciting nonetheless. I had already watched an unboxing online, so I did know what was in it. But if you don't want to be spoiled, stop the video now. Don't go any further. And go to the website and, well, I'm looking at the website over there, and the website even shows everything that's in it. So ask someone else to order it for you and you can be surprised. So anyways, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing and I'll let you know my thoughts at the end. So up first, we just have this cute little box. Lauren Martin did the art, like I said before. The back shows what's inside, but I'm not going to dwell on that because we're just about to look at that anyways. The way you open this up is there's just a little ribbon tied in like a shoelace bow. You pop that open and then you've got like a double doors effect. This calendar has 12 days to work with, and then on one side, it's got this cute little lollipop, and then once you shift over to the right side, it just tells you, you can either give some to a friend, split this up, whatever you want to do. So with box number 1, we got like this really long, thin box, and of course, we unroll it, and it is a little glass nail file, which I really needed another nail file for my work desk because A, I only have one, and B, I'm constantly like dropping and breaking these things. So box number 2, we have some crystals here. The first of 3. These are Crystal Wonderland rhinestones. And when I opened this up, they went everywhere, and I wanted to die. And I just stopped and I reassessed my entire life because this was horrible. It was so hard to clean these up. But with box number 3, I was committed. So I think these are the snow globe glitters, and they're like, yep, snow globe glitter, and they're really iridescent and fun. And since I was dumb and I was like, I'm going to open all of these, I did it again. And these were even worse to clean up because these are super thin. They're not as solid. They're like little like plastic pieces. So they were a mess. Box number 4, we've got the third and final like glitter rhinestone. And these are, I believe, the Northern Lights ones. I didn't show the name. But yeah, these went everywhere too. And I hate myself. But they are so pretty. So once I got them cleaned up, I just wanted to show you they have like a weird like flip to them. They really do look beautiful. Box number 5, we start getting into the nail polish. This is Halcyon. This is a really pretty rose gold shade. Very, very metallic, very packed with those metallic flakes. So it really reflects that light. The first coat, you can see it kind of shows my nail line here. But with that second coat, it really deepens it up. And once you just get a little bit more on the brush, you really don't have any troubles with seeing the nail line. I probably could have done a third coat, but you can't really see it from far away. On to box number 6. Let's pop that guy open, and we have, one of our candy coat colors. This is Bonbon, and it is a pink jelly with iridescent flakes in it. I really love this line. They're so cute. I think they all have like a jelly finish, and they're packed with the iridescent flakes. So they are going to be a little bit more see-through. That's just kind of the nature of a jelly polish, as I'm sure you've heard me talking about. But this whole line, this whole concept is just really fun. I checked out their website. They have a ton in this line. So this is definitely one of the lines that I really want to pick up more from this brand. And as you can see on the 2 coats, it really does cover pretty well. Number 7, we have another nail polish. This is Chiffon. This, I believe it came in one of their kits where you could do like a rose quartz nail art. So I think that would be fun to try. But this is just one of those like sheer, meant to be sheer polishes where you can kind of use it as a your nails but better situation, or the base for a French manicure, or any kind of nail art where you need like some negative space aspect, but maybe your nails are looking a little beat up, so you want to cover that up. And as you can see, you can barely tell it's on my nail, but it does look glossier. It does look a little bit cleaner. So this is really just a good polish to have on hand, especially for like the nail art aspect of things. And it looks really nice. Number 8, we have, what is this guy? Mystic Moonstone. This is one of those just like shimmery, kind of iridescent-y colors that I don't think it gets like super opaque, but look at that like blue shimmer running through it. It is really stark on there. It's really pretty when the light catches it just right. It's hard to see it under this like direct light I have over the top, but I can see it running through the bottle. You can see it on the brush against the black. It's super cool. I'm usually not a big like shimmer polish that's sheer type of person, but I really like this one. I think it might be fun to put over the top of some colors too, since it is so sheer and it would be very transforming, Box number 9, we have another nail polish from the Candy Coat collection. This one is Sugar Plum. It's the same formula as the previous one, but it is a lilac base this time, packed with all those iridescent flakies. This line, I think I put my finger on it. It reminds me of like in the 90s when everybody was obsessed with like jellyifying things. We had gel pens, jelly bracelets, jelly shoes, that jelly looking blow up furniture, and that's just kind of the vibes this collection gives me. It does, again, look a little bit sheer. You can see my nail line, but it's a jelly, so to be expected. Number 10, we have another nail polish, and this one is one of their like super hollow polishes. This one was really exciting. This one's called Crushed Ice, and it's hard to see because of the light, the way it's hitting, but just immediately you could see all these crazy reflective bits, all these rainbows on your nail. And even in the bottle, it just looks like straight up a rainbow reflection party in there. And then on the second coat, you can see it definitely covers up that nail line. I'm excited to wear it. It looks like a disco ball. I really love a good silver hollow. It's just like, I don't know, it's like the most traditional hollow, Box number 11, we've got another polish from the Candy Coat collection. This one is called Sour Punch, and this is, again, the same formula as before. It's just a green base, like super neon-y green base with those flakies in it. This one reminds me of like a gummy worm. Or did you ever have one of those creepy crawler machines when you were a kid? Because I did, and I used to love using that like goop, and then you'd cook it and you'd get like those jiggly bugs. That's just the vibe I get from this one. And you can see my nail line on this, but again, I love this style, so I'm not too pressed about it. And the final box, number 12, we have a 4th polish from the Candy Coat collection. This one is called Candy Apple, and it does look like that really bright red candied, that hard candy on the outside of the apple there. This one is probably the most sheer on that first coat compared to the other ones, but it is, again, a jelly polish with those iridescent flakies inside. And once you get that second coat on, it kind of starts to even out that formula. You can still see the nail line, but that's probably going to be true for everything from this this line. And I feel like you can see the nail line the least with this particular polish. And now here you can see everything just laid out. 8 polishes, 3 glitters, and a nail file. All right, so what did you guys think? I personally love the box for this. I think it is just so super cute. The artist is Lauren Martin. She's done work for Paper Magazine, and I saw, I guess, New York Times and the Wall Street Journal as well. I've read that she is popular or famous for kind of anthropomorphizing different like inanimate objects. I think just this bottle is so super cute. I want like a sticker of this. I think actually they do sell some stickers for this line. But my favorite thing about this box was that they didn't just stick like a bunch of old finishes in there. They had a few old polishes or like old, like part of their line already. And then they put in from their candy coat line, which I believe is new. You've got these 4 little cute little minis here, which I've never really like cared about minis that much, but these ones are just super cute. I really love the finish in these. They're really pretty. They do look like kind of like candies on the nails. So I am excited to have them, try them out. I'm going to get a feel for this brand and their formula and their wear and all that. And then I can imagine I'm going to invest hundreds and hundreds of dollars into their polishes because they do look beautiful. I've been browsing the site for like a week now, just trying to decide, narrow it down, get some of my first full sizes from them. So we'll see. They do have some Black Friday deals coming up, so we'll see how that goes, especially coming up on the holidays. I will say my only complaint about this calendar is, as you saw from my unboxing, the absolute mess that I made trying to open up the nail art little pots. I'm not sure if that's just something that happened in transit or like the way it was packaged. I did notice that there was like a lot of glitters just like kind of crammed up under like that plastic window on the top of the lid there. So I don't know if that's just like a fault in the design or what. I'm not sure. I've never ordered them from them before, but I think I've got it pretty cleaned up to the point where the next time I open them, it's not going to be a problem as long as I'm not like shaking them up like crazy. So anyways, that's my thoughts on the box. I definitely think it's worth it, especially as someone who's never tried the brand before. I feel like it's a really good intro pack, and I really look forward to trying more from the brand. Let me know down below if you picked up the Cirque Advent Calendar or if you have any favorites from Cirque that I should definitely add to my collection. And also let me know if there's any other Advent calendars on the market that you think I would be interested in. I am going to review the Ciate London one that is sold at Sephora soon. And I have the OPI Advent calendar as well. So yeah, just let me know in the comments down below your thoughts and I will see you in the next one. Bye.